Ipa Ipu Singna Thambiramba Lamda Naga Meeyam maning tamna Chathok Chatsin Toubada Athingba amatta Piroidabani haina Chingai AC MLA Khashim Vashum phongdokkhre wafamasi free movement regime FMR amuk hanna chatna hangadabani amadi ngamkhai sambal khabi yaroi hainangasi Ukhrul district headquarters ta chatkiba miyam ki khongchet amagamadi leidana mahakna phongdokhibani United Naga Council UNC gi meeting makhada tangkhul naga long amadi tangkhul furuki maru oiba civil society kayana sinra pangthokiba miyam ki khongchet aduda MLA Khashim Vashum na hai naga miyam gi marakta leiriba achet pamari adu hena Chatsin hannabagi Wakhalon chap chanelay Naga Furuki Yaifanaba Angamba Thakta Hotnagane Naga Sing Asi Ipa Ipuna Thambiramba Lam Chetnabi Amadi Manglam Chetki Liklam Singna Chetna Punduna Chetliba Furup Amane Aikogi Ipa Ipu Singna Kanagisu Ayaba Lodana Maning Tamna Ngamkhe Latok Lansin Todana Lawu Singuna Chingba Taunaduna Hinglakbane Hosik Sem Liba Kusem Gi Ngamkhe Ase Nomadi Soidana Mankigane Aikoi Athingba Amatta Yaudana Amadi Hantana yengba mitenge pal lanthoktuna Ipa Ipu Singna thamlamliba aikoigi lamda maning tamna chathok chasin tawduna amatta oina hingminnarakigani Hauzik khariba ngamkhai sambal asina aikoigi furuki marakta tokhai tahali masi yamna laibak thiba amane bari leinaba singna ngamkhai sambal khabagi laurakliba firep ase amuk hanna khanthaduna naga miyam ki right amadi chatnabi sing ikai khumnagadabane aikoigi Ipa Ipu singna thamlamba lamda aikoina ningtamna chathok chasin tawbada athingba amata piroidabani haina mahatma khata ki
Our forefathers have traditionally lived, cultivated, traded, migrated freely across these boundaries without needing permission from outsider, say, authority. I firmly believe that these artificial boundaries will one day be erased and will be reunited as one people, free to move and live within our ancestral land jurisdiction without restriction or discrimination. The border fencing influence upon our ancestral land and territories, dividing our communities and family. I urge authority to reconsider its decision and respect the right and tradition of the Naga people. We must be allowed to move freely within our ancestral land without restriction or division.
Miyam gi khongchet aduga mari leinana Fungyar AC gi MLA Leishio Kaishing na hai Naga Meeyam tongan ba lebak singda tokhai lehliba se British ke loilam lengak adugi mahinane kumja English ma chanipan kuntarukta British amadi Myanmar ani gi marakta khujek pinakiba Treaty of Yandabona Naga Meeyam ase Myanmar amadi India da tokhai khundahan kibani haina mahatma khata ki
There was a war between British India and Burma. There was, after the war, there was a treaty called Yandabo, a treaty. That treaty is the root causes, it is the genesis of all these our people scattered in two different countries. So the British rule, during the British rule, the Treaty of Yandabo, they have formed a boundary commission, which was led by Captain R.D. Pemberton.
Naga Furup ki miyoi lising tara henbana saruk yaduna chatkiba ngasi khongchet aduda khongjang singna free movement regime FMR amuk hana chatna hangadabani amadi India amadi Myanmar gi ngamkhai paringda khariba sambal ase khabi yaroi haibagi kholau kaya laubaga loinana tongan ba placard kaya siznakhi miyam gi khongchet adu dungrei amadi kharsom dagi laklaba matung Ukhrul district ki district headquarters ground da panthufam oike Mifam aduda miyamgi oiba mifam amasu pangthokhi. Mifam aduda Chingai AC gi MLA Khashim Vashum, Phongdokkhre AC gi MLA Leishio Kaising yauna tongan ba tangkul CSO singi lujingba singna wangangki. Ngasigi khongjang adugi manungchana tangkul naga longna Ukhrul District ki District Magistrate ki kuthangda Prime Minister Narendra Modi da memorandum amasu pishankhi.